nice roe in here. Okay, so this is the skein. I'm going to snip this back a little bit. You can see that's it right there. So I'm going to snip that and then flatten this out and then squish all the eggs through this racket into a bowl. This is another method. So you can see here's the skein. I flattened it out, so I've pulled all the eggs apart like this, and then I'm just using this really sort of dull plastic fork to scrape all the eggs off. So it's just, you're just trying to be very gentle with the roe so that it doesn't pop as much as, you know, you're gonna have some popping, but you know, this is more what you'd like. All right, so I've gotten all my little roe out, and now I'm gonna take cold water, and it's gonna be freaky because it's gonna get all creamy, and you're gonna be like, oh no, it's not clear, but it's okay. And this is just gonna take all the little husks of top roe, and all you're gonna do is just sort of, like you're rinsing rice. Just strain this off until it's clear. The less you let it soak in water, the better, because they do absorb water over time. So I'm just going to keep doing this process until it's clear, and I might even take my tweezers and pull some of any of the white shells out after, and then I'm going to strain it. But there's still white specks in it. That's totally okay. That's going to go away in a sec. I'm just going to brine it now. All right, so I just poured it into a basically 100% salt brine, so kosher salt, 1 cup to 2 liters of cold water, and make sure it's diluted. Now I'm gonna do it for 35 seconds and strain it. So there you go. There's your ikura, or salmon roe, with fir tip needles. You can use spruce, like I said, or pine, or anything else that's to your fancy. Put these on crackers and they're really delicious.